Alright, so I just want to show you something so amazing again in Plasticity. Yeah? So I am modeling here this beautiful MX Master, right? This mouse here, yeah, one of the absolutely most complex, beautiful designs ever. I don't know, it's amazing. And I just want to show you kind of our result from our course, because I just launched a course where I show you how to model this mouse completely, absolutely step by step from scratch, how to create every curve. So you see we built here a lot of curves, right? And now I started to create those beautiful, absolutely clean primary surfaces, right? And then once we all of them have them, then we start to blend them, add off the fillets, add the details and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, this is an absolute of a masterclass in Plasticity if you want to learn how to model complex objects, if you want to learn everything about curves, how to create surfaces, how to blend them, how to create beautiful surface transitions. Then if you want, you can check out first link below this video. You can find all of the information. It's the absolutely by far the best and most in-depth Plasticity course out there, and that I also have created. And I just want to show you that, yeah, the workflow that I'm showing you there, it's literally no one else on whole YouTube is showing you, because I've broken down this complex object like into simple steps that everyone can follow along. And the most important thing, that you just understand how to break down complex shapes. So like this is just like a quick showcase, but in the course obviously I explained to you it's like many hours long. So yeah, but what I wanted to show you here, so this mouse here, right, is very complex in the sense of it's not symmetrical, right? It's extremely organic, and we have this very big surface, right? And also we have here the surface, and then we have like this absolutely beautiful flow connection, which kind of, yeah, I don't know how to even explain that. It's a very complex shape, and one way to solve it, whether it's xNURBS or patch, and by the way, I'm showing you this whole course how to follow with the Indie license, but we always sprinkle in some xNURBS for those who have it, just to get some better results or like better quality surfaces. But if you have Indie, so still the course is 100% Indie. But yeah, so we've created this main shape here at the top, which is very clean as you see. Then also this one on the side, which is this one. And you see here on the model, we have like this very sharp corner and edge, and maybe someone thinks, oh my God, that's so wrong, like what's going on? Yeah, this is what I will show you then in the course. That would be then the next step, is once we have created those surfaces, we will create here this beautiful blend. And because we have high quality surfaces from the beginning on, yeah, everything will just work out magically as what I will show you now. So let's create first of all this surface. So I've created here some curves, right? So this is a simple surface like that. It's kind of just four-sided with some nice high quality curves. So this is then this area here, right? And now, so I've built already, or we in the course, we have built already everything around. So now we can just start to patch it or to xNURB that. So let's start with an xNURBS, and first of all, obviously I will hide all of those curves. And yeah, so let's just start. I activate xNURBS and I just select all of those boundaries here. Like that. And then, because I've set up all of those curves in G2, we can, even with patching, you will see we can give G2. That's so incredible. And yeah, what can I say? So look even at the zebra. So it's so, look guys, this just looks like the reflections. We don't have any artifacts. Look how, you see this line? We don't have any artifacts, right? We don't have any here, those transition breaks, anything. We just have an absolute beautiful form. And yeah, obviously now it's just one click because yeah, we've set up all of those curves and the whole shape perfectly. So that was obviously a lot of work that we've done before and I'm showing you in the course. But yeah, with xNURBS or even with Patch, you will see it's just so much fun. And now we have the sharp edge here. And now in the course, the next step would be, yeah, to blend it also in a way that literally no one shows that on whole YouTube, and that will give us the absolute perfect result. And also if you see, you know, it's not just I'm showing you something that looks pretty. No, we have here 6 reference images, right? And if you see from this side, you see every curve, every shape is perfectly aligned. Then also from that shape, so you see it's kind of 99% perfectly aligned. So we can tweak that also a little bit. Then also from the top shape, you see everything is 100% or like, let's say 98% perfectly aligned. And yeah, this course, this absolute masterclass about surface modeling. And yeah, so let's have a look about Patch. So again, we have to hide all of those curves here. So we have those edges and let's see what the Patch gives us. Because usually when we have like a very complex shape as we have here, the Patch produces artifacts, right? So sometimes you see like the surface has like some weird things ongoing, right? So let's see what we will get here. And yeah, obviously we have to first join all of those surfaces. So let's do, and let's see what the Patch will give us here. Patch, G1, G2, G1, and G2. Let's check the zebra and you see, yes, it's a little bit worse quality than xNURBS, obviously, but still look, we have absolutely incredible transitions. And if we check like in some normal mode, look guys, again, beautiful, smooth transitions, no artifacts, no weird continuity, G1 shading issues here. And yeah, I don't know, it's just so much fun because now like we have such a beautiful primary surfaces, right? So adding details, adding all of those other stuff and fillets and cutouts, it will just look so nice because our main form and main shape is beautiful. And again, ignore this edge, we will blend it as a next step in the course. So, and if you want to learn complex 3D modeling in Plasticity and model this MX Master mouse completely from scratch, then check out my new complex surface modeling course. Inside I guide you step by step through the most powerful workflows and techniques, from analyzing the shape, building precise curves, to create clean surfaces, controlled blends and high quality details. You will also learn how to properly use the most important surface modeling tools in Plasticity. So if you want to master complex modeling in Plasticity, check out the first link below this video. It's an absolute masterclass. It was so much fun, and yeah, I hope I can see you in there. Otherwise, just leave a like and subscribe if you want. So have a nice day. Bye.